Hi, this is Vamsi. I'm a senior counselor in Riyan Visa Immigration, working since 2019. Riyan Visa is the best consultancy in Hyderabad. Do you know why? We have done 60 plus visas in last 4 months. So we do process for USA, UK, Poland, Netherlands and Malta. Let me explain about you the Malta work permit. So the work permit to begin the process and we will complete within 4 to 5 months. So you have a golden opportunities in Malta. Do you know what is the qualification required for the Malta work permit? Minimum 10 and intermediate or degree. Anyone are eligible to work in Malta. So most of the people who living in Dubai also moving to Malta because the golden opportunities are more in Malta. For the more information, you can contact 703 703 and you can go through my webpage www.riyanvisas.com. My name is Vamsi. Have a great day.